welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. Kind of excited about it. It's not too big, but there's some exciting things. But I would like to ask that you please like and subscribe. That really helps my channel and my content to get out there to the masses, and it helps me continue to bring you content. So if you could smash that like button and the notification bell and comment and interact, that would be fantastic. All right, let's get started. First and foremost, I have found the drinking cups. And I did show these as a short, I think, it might have been on TikTok, but plastic cup with sippy lids for travel. So I don't always like to use disposable cups and stuff, and I have plenty of regular cups, but there are certain situations, like when I go to play or go to work football or certain events, I need something I can toss, and if I don't toss it, I reuse it. So there's that. I'm having a little like a Gatorade type drink, Element it's called, because I'm not feeling so great. The stomach virus has been going around my office, and I fear that I might be catching it. We're going to cross our fingers that we are not, but let's hope. All right, now, speaking of the office, we're moving. My office, same building, different area, and I need to reset up my coffee station. So I got just some basic black. These are the dish drying mats, and I put them under my coffee maker at the office, so if we spill, it just keeps it tidy. So I do need to put these here because I have a few things that'll be going to the office. I found one more of these resin molds to make coasters, so I can make some. This more, so now I can make 3 at a time, because they do take time. So like the way I do it, I have to put a little bit of resin on the bottom, which ends up being the top, let it kind of harden, and then I put what I want to put in the middle, and then I put a little more resin, let it harden, and then I add one more layer. So it takes some time. So making 3 at a time will expedite that. I found these, they're back. I'm assuming these will be back for summer. These are like the adult Capri Suns. You can put your drink in here. The only thing is, you don't put a hole in it like you would a Capri Sun. You have a zipper closure, and you just have your straw go through there. But they have a little holder handle so you can carry them around. I just think these are totes adorbs. So I grabbed those for the summertime. And I picked up a little Downy. I need to get a large one. I don't use a lot of fabric softener, but it's static season. And stuff like this teddy bear fabric gets very staticky. So I do use a little bit of fabric softener. This is the cat. He's playing and he keeps hitting the tripod. But I put a little bit in my wash, and I also put some in a spray bottle, and I spray my fleecy stuff so it doesn't get so staticky. What else is down here? Oh, yes. So I'm excited. I'm going to keep this bag because I found all of the coasters. So I think I have one of these upstairs. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 of the square now because they come in 2 packs. So I have this shape, 8 of them. And then I found 3 of this shape. And there's only one Dollar Tree in the city of Columbus. It's in Whitehall, actually, that I have been able to find these at. I should say on the east side where I live. I go to like 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees, and I've only been able to find this one at a very specific store in Whitehall. And so I have this. So I should have enough to make coasters for everybody on my team for football season in the fall. I'm very early, but I wanted to grab these while I saw them, because they have to be painted, and then the decal put on it and then sealed. So it takes a little time. So we got that. But that makes me happy that I'm ready when I'm ready. So we're going to put those in this double bag because they're heavy. And that should be enough for everybody on my team. All right, what's next? Oh, this is a fun bag. foremost, I think I got 3 of these. I got 3. It's a cat. I saw this winter when I was looking at wreaths, people are using these cutouts in very cute wreath situations, and I couldn't find them, but now I have 3 of them. This is technically standing. It's thick. It's like an inch thick, almost 3/4 of an inch. Take this off and it can go either direction, and yeah. So I have 3 because I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. Oops. With them all. But, and I left plenty, but I just grabbed 3 because I figured I could make some things. These would make really cute bookends, to be honest with you. Like they're holding up the book. But I grabbed 3 of those, so those will go back up in my craft space. I found this little wooden, these are the wooden pieces I have on my mantle, and I wanted the ball to stick up there with the other pieces from this line. I couldn't find the white one, but I'm okay with a little bit of green. And there's like a little gold, you can't really see it, but there's a little gold, like leaf embossed in there, which is exciting. And then let's see what else. Oh, for Valentine's Day, I found some ribbon. It's like the conversation hearts. So I got that because I'm making Brookies, which is a brownie on the bottom and a chocolate chip cookie on top. I make them all the time. My team absolutely loves them. And what I'm going to do, and you'll see, I have these are fold top, like old-fashioned sandwich bags. I put 1 brookie in here, and then I tie it off at the top so they stay fresh, and then you don't have to eat it right there. You can take it home with you, and I'll make a couple dozen. I was going to tie them with these, but this would require me to like melt the ends, so I got curling ribbon in pink. So these will be for a baking that I will take to work next week. I'll be doing that on Sunday. And then I found these. Now, these are not Dollar Tree. I don't know what brand they are. But Schroeder and Tremaine ink. They were hanging on one of those hang things that said $3. And I was like, well, it said $2.95. I'm like, that's weird. So I'm assuming whatever company they bought them for, they came on these hang dealies. But they were $1.25. And they're an abrasive, like, scrubber. Dishes, whatever. They had them in all different colors. I just got the gray. I thought that was nice and neutral. And it's a high-performance alternative to the classic kitchen sponge. So just clean your dishes. We all need dish scrubbers. All right, what's in here? Oh, more cleaning stuff. For my vacation that I'm going to be going on, well, I'm going in May, and then I'm also going on a trip in June. I always bring water bottles with me, like reusable water bottles and coffee cups. So I grabbed one of these. It's silicone. And then it has a straw cleaner because I'll have a straw with me. And I'll just throw this in my suitcase. And I usually bring some Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and I can wash my cups. And this was $1.25, and it's from Ideal Kitchen. And they came in all different colors, but. So I'll bring one. I'll probably bring it to both trips if I'm being truthful. Oh, I found these. Dark chocolate, no sugar added. It says there's 19 carbohydrates, but 11 sugar alcohols. And 6 pieces is a serving, but I only eat 3. So really it's 8 carbs, 7, 6, 4 carbohydrates if I eat 3 squares, and then I throw some peanut butter on it. So I grabbed these. I think I found them in milk too, but I prefer dark. Oh, this is for, I grabbed these. Hold on, I just dropped one. Yeah. For my family, Where did the other one go? I had 4 of them. Okay. I don't chew gum because I wear a partial denture, but for my family, I'm making goodie bags for everybody for our plane trip. And so I got everybody a little pack. I just think they're adorable. Of these little Mentos gums. I'll put it in each person's little bag. This is for our June trip, but I will give it to them before that so they can pack. And I put stuff like gum. They're going to get some stain wipes in each one. I have hand sanitizer for everybody, some hand soap, sheets, the little paper sheets that come out. We're not trying to get sick on our vacation. And then maybe some treats or something. I don't know. We'll see. And then what else I got in here? Oh, yes, fun. Let me do this so I can put my work stuff in that bag. Okay, for Wellington, I think this is red. I hope it's red. It looks red. I'm going to take the bell off, but he has a collar and he scratched it all up. I need to put the tag so he can get into his food. Yeah, that's red. And he's a black and white cat, and I think a red will look fantastic. So I'm going to change out his little collar. Because the other one's, it's scratchy and it's real thick and I think it bothers him. So I just grabbed that. He's not going anywhere. For my, one of my direct reports at work for her little granddaughter, she said she keeps wanting their cell phones. I just grabbed this. I know it won't be the same thing, but if you pull that, it makes noise. So I got to take that tomorrow for her little granddaughter to play with and chew on and do whatever. And it's a Novelty World play phone. It says it's for 3 and up, but I don't know why. Maybe because if they get the batteries out of the back or something. She's not 3, but we'll see. I got to put that with work stuff. And then I found this is beauty. It is a beauty mini fan. Save time on your skincare and beauty routine. Speeds up drying, lashes, primer, foundation, blah, blah. Whatever. I don't know about you, but this just looks like a menopause fan to me. So we're going to see. I don't have any batteries, but in it, yeah, girl, this is a menopause fan. As long as it blows how it should, it's a nice little fan. I know, right? That is super fun. They had them in this color, like a purpley periwinkle, and then they had them in pink. And I have some friends who will appreciate this. So I grabbed that. I don't know where I'll put it. Okay, one more bag over here. I got 2 bags left, actually. There's a lot of stuff in here. I grabbed a extension cord. I need it for over there for my phone charger, laptop charger, that kind of stuff. I need an extension cord, so that's where it belongs. Oh, I snacked on one of these yesterday. These are sugar-free caramels. I like them. Oh, and I'm going to be doing a video. I've had questions about what is floss bling and different things I do with beads. So I'm going to make a video, and I needed some silver. I have gold, but I needed some of these in silver. So I just picked that up. They're jewelry findings. And I found 2, the same, but in milk chocolate. And the milk chocolate has a little higher carb count than the dark, which is why I prefer the dark. But they only had it in the milk bars. And that's okay. I'll just have 2 squares instead of 3 maybe. So I got that. Oh, this is for my mantle or somewhere. I have a pair of these. But look at that color for spring. Isn't that the most pretty? It's like robin's egg blue. And you can do lots of things with these. Technically, you put a candle on top, but you could put a dish. You could make this like a tiered tray. You could put one of these, if you had this ball painted in a different color. But, oh, look at, you can put like, use it as a riser for a plant. Like there's a million things you can do with these, and I just loved the color. So I grabbed a pair of those. I'm not going to take the other one out because they're packaged nicely. All right, we got over here. Oh, when I go on my trip to Canada, I'm going to put cut up cheese and meats in these. And look, they have little flowers. This is the 2-pack, and then they had a 1-pack, which is a large one. But I thought I could put cubed up cheese in one and then cut up meat in the other. And I will have it in my hotel room for a snack. And I thought they were super pretty. And they make me happy. Here, you can put that on top of a riser too. Oh, for work, I found the Jordan's skinny syrups. Now, I buy Jordan's skinny syrup all the time. Usually this size comes in a 3-pack, but they had them individually for $1.25, and they have vanilla, sugar-free, and salted caramel is what I found at my store. We need a thumbnail. So this is going to my coffee bar at work because I use that all the time. Oh, I need to hang up a flag at work. My Pelotonia flag. So I grabbed those. These are the removable little hooks. Nothing exciting to see there. Also nothing exciting. I got some limeade for summer. Okay. Now in the beauty section, I found another, and I brought these to work and gave them away, another Halo palette with the neutrals. This one I think I'll keep for me because I gave all the other ones away. And then they have this, which I know this is not new, but it's the first time I've seen it. It is a lip liner, a lip pencil, and lip stick to match. I know I get comments that I don't wear makeup. I actually do. I have on blush, mascara. I do my eyebrows. I do my eyes. Lips are hard because I'm always drinking something and it just wipes off. But I thought that would be fun color combo to try on my lippies, my neutrals. And then I got this little wax applicator and strips for hair removal. I get these hairs on my chin because apparently that's a menopause thing too. Nobody tells you about. So it comes with 20 sticks. Oh, I don't think you get the wax. I don't think you get wax with this. Oh, you get the strips. And UPS is here. I didn't get the wax. I think I saw the wax there, but for right now, if I get some wax, I just want to wax my chin hairs, people. But you get this. Yeah. We're not going to worry about that. I'm going to die when I show you this. And you're probably going to die too. Let me take the name. It's $1.25. Bob Ross. Happy little tree socks. What? It's Bob Ross. And it says happy little clouds. And then you get a second. Hi, baby. What? What is so dramatic? That's Wellington. And on this side, you get these socks. Guys, I'm dying. And this is textured. It's like fuzzy, his hair and his beard. I mean, if you're my generation, I grew up watching Bob Ross on PBS, and I cannot wait for these socks to wear them. Happy little cloud. He says clouds, not trees. And then on this side, you get the happy little trees. I don't think it has, no. So you just get one pair with Bob Ross and one pair with the mountains. I know. They're everything. So that is everything I got at the Dollar Tree this week. I hope you enjoy and you'll come back for some more, and I will talk with you later.